we'll guide you through how to hide text in threads. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, opening your phone or mobile device and preparing it for use. For this tutorial, you can use an Android tablet as an example, although the same process is very similar on most smartphones and tablets. Before continuing, make sure that the Threads app has already been installed on your device. If the app is not available yet, open either the Play Store on Android devices or the App Store on Apple devices. Search for Threads and complete the installation process before moving on. Once the application is ready, hit the Threads app icon to launch it. After a few moments, the Threads main menu will appear on the screen. Next, look carefully at the bottom menu section that is displayed on the interface. From the available options, tap the Create menu to begin making a new post. After selecting it, the main display will transition to the Create menu where you can type your content. Write the caption that you want to hide using the spoiler feature. When the text is finished, highlight the specific words or sentences by clicking and holding directly on the text. A small pop-up menu will then appear with several available options. From this menu, click Mark Spoiler to hide the selected text from immediate view. Once the spoiler effect has been applied successfully, tap anywhere else on the screen to close the menu and review your post. Make sure everything looks correct and that the hidden text is properly marked. If you're satisfied with the result, select Post to upload the content to your profile. The post containing the hidden text is now visible on your profile page, and anyone who wants to read the hidden words can simply click on the text to reveal the spoiler content. This feature is useful when you want to avoid revealing sensitive information, movie spoilers, surprise announcements, or details that some viewers may prefer not to see immediately. Using the spoiler option also makes your post look cleaner and more organized, because followers can choose whether they want to uncover the hidden text. Be careful to highlight the correct section before choosing the spoiler option, since only the selected words will be hidden from view. After posting, you can always revisit your profile to confirm that the spoiler effect is working correctly for users.